Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and if this is the first time for watching to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe. And today's video, we have P6 Living National Exams examination of 2025-2026 mathematics. You know that this is the time where the date that has been done, and this is the places of people's or students' information where should be written. And right down here we have instruction to candidate where every candidate should read it and follow them carefully. And I want to tell you that if you want different books of past papers with question and answers that has been done in past years, so you can text me via on my WhatsApp group or call me the number that is in video description, so we can start and solve this question. Now here you're supposed to answer all questions out of 100 marks. Now we are supposed to do rough work below each question in this column. First question, work out the following. We have right here 1,230,104 plus 246,295, then plus 103,001. And then here supposed to add them vertically. You know, here we have to start from here. We have 4, we have 0, we have 1, comma, and of course you have 0, you have 3, and of course we have 2, right? And comma, we have 1 right here, and then we have plus addition sign. Then of course here we have 5, we have 9, we have 2, comma, we have 6, 4, 2, and then down right here we have 1, 0, 0, comma, 3, 0, 1. And then by adding, we have 4 plus 5 equals to 9, 9 plus 1 equals to 10. We have to add it right 1 here and bring 1 here. 1 plus 9 equals to 10, that is 0, and 1 right here. We have 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 2 equals to 4, comma, and of course you have 9, right? We have here 7, and of course you have 5, comma, and bring down 1. That we have 1,597,79,400. So the correct answer from here is this one, is letter A. Question 2. Classify the following numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in table below. Which one is odd numbers? Which one is even number? And which one is prime number? And which one is square number? For the numbers, we know that those are numbers which cannot be divisible by 2. It has to start from here. We have 1, we have 3, we have 5, and we have 7 and 9. These are odd numbers, so we have to write it here 1, and of course here we have 1, right? We have 3, we have 5, we have 7, and we have 9 right here. Even numbers, those are numbers which can be divisible by 2. Start from here, 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, and 10. Prime numbers, the prime numbers is a number which have 2 factors, 1 and itself, and the smallest prime number is 2. Start from 2, 3, 5, and 7. Square number, this is a number which multiplies itself to get what? This is a square number 4, because these 2 which multiply itself to get 4, that is we have 4 and 9. So, and write the following fraction in figure. We are supposed to transform them into numbers. We have 5 ninths, means that we have 5 over 9, means this is 5 ninths. Question number 4, which fraction is represented by shaded parts? Which fraction is represented by shaded parts? So here we have what? We have all these, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, down here we have 8. And the fraction represented by shaded parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 out of 8. Work out the following. And of course here we have the same denominator. We have to put it right here. This is common denominator. We have to add 5 plus 3 plus 2, and this will be 10 over 12 by simplification by by 2 by 2. Here we have 5/6, and this is last question. Now here you're supposed to choose the correct answer, which is letter A. Question number 6. The ratio of mass of maize to rice was 3:5. The total mass of maize and rice was 96 kilograms. Calculate the mass of mass of rice. Choose the correct answer. A, we have maize is 36, while rice is got 36 kilograms. And of course, let me try to solve it nicely. We have to find total ratio. And total ratio, from here we shall add what we have right here, 3 plus 5 to get 8. So we have to find the maize quantity. And maize quantity will be given by, here we have, because of the maize to rice means that this 3 represents maize. You have 3 times the total kilograms, 96/8, and this should be equal to, by simplification, so here shall get 36 kilograms, while by finding rice quantity, this will be 5 times 96 kilograms over 8, and this should be equal to, now here we should have 60 kilograms, right? And then we are going to come up right here and find that we have maize which is 36 and rice which is 36, and they are totally different. Maize 36 and rice is 60 kilograms, so that the correct answer is letter B. 7. Evaluate square root of 16 plus square root of 25 equal to what? Choose the correct answer. And here square root of 16 equal to 4, square root of here 25, and this is equals to 5. I'm supposed to add 4 plus 5 equals to 9. And I'm supposed to find the choose correct answer is letter C. Now, question 8. They are supposed, it says that a motorist drives at a speed of 72 kilograms per hour. Then how much time does he take for the whole journey if he drives to cover the distance of 216 kilometers? So we are supposed to choose the correct answer from here. We have A, which is 1 hour, B, 2 hours, C, 3 hours, and D, which is 4 hours. Now, given that what we have right here, now we have speed. We know that our speed is equal to 72 kilometers per hour, and we have distance which equals to 216 kilometers. We are supposed to find the time, right? And we know the time equal to distance over speed. From here we shall say we have 216 kilometers divided by 72 kilometers per hour, and then this one should be cancelled to get time which equals to 216 divided by 72. Of course, this is 3 hours. Then correct answer is letter C. Here, question 9, convert the following. A, 261 deciliter to centiliters. So here A, we should convert here 1 deciliter is equal to 10 centiliters, so that we have 2,610 centiliters. And from B here, we have that 1 decimeters cube equal to 1,000 centimeters cube. But from here, you have to say 1 meters cube equals to 1,000 decimeters cube. So from here to up to here, we shall divide, so that we have 42619 divided by 1,000, then meters cube, and this should be equal to 42.619 meter cube. Then C, we have 325.6 grams, and this is equals to how many hectograms? So that here we shall divide 100. Then after we shall get 3.256 hectograms. In this number, here I have to say that At 4,675, determine the digit which represent thousands. Of course, it is 4. It is this one. So the rota is this one. 11. Write in figures 30,005. 30,005. Here, you have to come up from here and try to say 1, 2, 3, make comma from here. 1, 2, 3, and then make comma. 1, 2, 3, and then make comma. 1, 2, 3, make comma right here. 1, 2, 3. Make comma means that this is 30,005, means that this is your solution. Now question 12. The size of irregular hexagonal, this one, 0.025 decameters, 15 centimeters, 2 decimeters, 0.3 meters, 20 centimeters, and 300 millimeters. Determine the perimeter in meters. So perimeters is equals to, here this is side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5, and side 6. Sum of 6 sides. Side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 plus side 5, and then plus side 6. Side 1 is equals to 0.025 decameters, and this should be transformed into meters to get what? 0.25 meters. Side 2 is equals to 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters, so that this should be equals to 0.15 meters. And side 3 equal to what? Half 2 decimeters. 2 decimeters. And these 2 decimeters should be 0.2 meters. While side 4 equal to 0.3 meters. Side 5 equal to, here we have what? 20 centimeters, and 20 centimeters will be 0.2 again meters. And the last one is side 6 will be 300 millimeters, and of course this is a 0.3 meters. And then perimeter will be the sum of these sides, so that if you have your calculator, or you can add it, and you shall get what? You shall get 1.4 meters from here. Now you're supposed to choose the correct answer, which is here A is 1.45, B 1.04, and C, which is 0.41 meters, and D is 1.4 meter. So this is correct answer. 13. The figure below is a rectangle. Study it and answer the question that follow. Means that when we have here, this is a rectangular figure, so we have to know that this side equals to this side. Means that this side again is equals to this side. Means that this is length 1, which equals to length 2. This is width 1, which equals to width 2. Here you have to say length 1 equals to length 2. And the length 1 is 4. Is 4x, which equals to this one, length 2, which is 8x minus 8. Right? Then here we can solve nice way this linear equation. So we have 4x minus 8x equals to negative 8. And of course this is negative 4x, which equals to negative 8. Then x here will be 2. Then, and this is a, because we are supposed to find the value of x. And then b, from here we shall say find the length. Length equal to 4x. You can take what you want from here. So length will be 4 times 2. This is equals to 8 centimeters. C, find width. Width is equals to 3x. So width will be 3 times 2. This is 6 centimeters. Now, from here, what do we have? 14. An experiment. A group toss a coin 10 times. They record the results as below. For the head facing up, they recorded head, noted by H. For the tail facing up, they recorded T. We have thrown. Number of thrown here is 10 times, and head facing is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While our tail facing have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So find the total number of heads that faced up. A. Total number of head facing up equal to 5 times. Last B, find total number of tail that faced up, also that is the total number of tail that facing up. Of course this is 5. C. What was the chance getting of the head? It means that we are supposed to find the probability of getting head. This will be 5 number of events over total over 10 times, so that this is 1/2. So D, probability of getting tail, here this is number of times here over 10. This is 1/2. Right? And then 15. A. These are simple rounding of 89.282 to the nearest whole number, that is 89. B. 5.297 to the nearest hundredths. Of course, we shall get what? 5.30 from here. Because we say it is hundredths, we come up from here, and this is up or 5, so that this should be 10. We round off this one to get 10, and then we add from here 1, we get 10, and then get 0 from here, we get up 1 from here to get 3, and C, from here we have 79. Round off to the nearest of 79.998 to the nearest tenths. Tenths from here, we start from here, that is 80. Now we have 840 francs was shared in a ratio of 3 to 4. What was each share? Of course, you have to find total ratio. Total ratio equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7. The first, you get what? 3 times 840 divided by 7. And the second one, we get what? 4 times 840 over 7. And we get what? The first one, we get 360 francs. While the second one is 480 francs. Right. This question, find the missing numbers in the sequence below. What we have A, 3, 8, 13, and 18. And we are moving toward from smallest to the biggest number. So we have to find common difference, CM. Common difference is what? Plus 5 here, plus 5, plus 5. So we have plus 5. Come up from here, 18 plus 5, we get 23. And 23 plus 5, get 28. And of course, we have to find common difference. CD, common difference. Now here should we get what? We have 1, 4, 7, and here this is plus 3, right? So this is 10 plus 3, we get 13, and 13 plus 3, we get 16. Now from here we have what? 2, 7, 12, and 15. From here, common difference will be plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Then here we have plus 5. Right, so here we shall get 17 plus 5 equals to 22, and here we get 27. Now, 18. 2 bags, well, 17 kilograms. What is the weight of 5 bags? Start from here, we have 2 bags. They have weights of 70 kilograms. Means that 1 bag is weighed up of 70 kilograms divided by 2, and this is 35 kilograms. Means that 5 bags will be 35 kilograms times 5, and this should be 175 kilograms. Right? Then this about 4 radios at 125 each. At TV set at 200,000 francs, and 5 DVD players at 55,000 francs each. How much money did he remain with if he had 1 million? So 4 radios costs 4 times 125 francs, and of course this is this is what here we have 0, 2, here we have what? We have 8, 0, 2, that is 0, 1, you have 5, 6, it is 600 francs. These are about radios. And here we have TV set, it costs 200 francs. And of course here we have 5 DVD players. This costs to what? 5 times 55 flanks. Of course, this is half 5. 2, this is 25, 27, 0 flanks. Then, by finding total, if you add it, total expense, this will be what? This is 475. Is it 475? Okay. From here we have 5. It is 475 plus 500. This is 975,000 francs. So, amount of money remain. Of money remained go to 1 million minus 975,000 francs, and these are francs, and this should be equals to 25,100 francs. Question 20. The table below contains data of shoe size for different people. We have passed on Elise, Janvier, and Nadege and Fiona. Show size, we have 6, 8, and 4, and 7. Represent the data using bar graph. Now, we can start from here. Here we shall draw the bar graph from here. Now, then present it right here again. Then you shall count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here, so I stop from here. Now, the first one we have right here is Elise. The second is Janvier, Nadege, that's represent N, and Fiona by this. Now, we know that Elise has 6, the size of 6. From here, let's start from here and build it like this. We can build it like this. Okay, we can do it like this. As Elise, Janvier has 8. From here, this is Janvier. We have Nadege at 4 here, right? This is Nadege. Another one is Fiona at 7. Shall I get it right here? Okay, this is the bar graph that we have to represent each one. Now we can move on to the next question. We have solve the following equation and inequality. The first one here, A, we shall say 2x minus 3 equal to 7. So that we shall say x equals to 7 plus 3, 2x equal to 10, then x equals to 5. Right? Then let us solve it here. B, 2x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. 2x is greater than or equal to 4. Then x is greater than or equals to 2. Right? This is our solution. Study the diagram drawn below. We have it right here. Determine the value of angles marked by letters. We have A, B, and C. From here, if you're seeing us with this line, it shows that this is a straight line. Means that this angle and this angle and this angle, they are supplementary angles. So it means that A is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, to mean that A will be 130 degrees. Means that here we have 130 degrees. Means that 50 and B, they are opposite. Means that opposite angles are equal. Means that B will be 50 degrees. Now, We have angle A and angle C. This angle A and angle C. If you take it down, this A will take place of C from here. That's why we say, in English, we say angle A and angle C, they are corresponding angles. That is why we say corresponding angles, they are equal, to mean that A equals to C, means that C equals to 130 degrees. Right. Now, 23, copy and complete the table. Take pi, which equals to 22/7. Now, here we have circumference, which is equal to 88 meters. Diameter is not known. Radius is not known. So we have pi, which is equal to 22/7. We have to come up from here. Diameter equals to radius times 2. But circumference is equals to diameter times pi. Means that diameter here will be circumference divided by pi. So that diameter from right here means that let us say this is diameter 1. Diameter 1 here will be 8 meters divided by 22/7, and this will be equals to 88 meters times 7/22, and this one, this is 1 here, we get 4, then the 1 here will be 28 meters. Means that here I have 28 meters. Means that the radius 1 here will be 28 meters divided by 2, we get 14 meters. Means that this is 14 meters. We have radius, and of course here we have to find diameter. Diameter 2, this is equal to radius times 2, so this is 50 meters times 2 equal to 100 meters. Means that here I have 100 meters. Circumference 2 will be diameter 2 times p, so this is 100 meters times 3.14, and this is equals to 314 meters. So circumference is equals to 314 meters, right? For this question number 24, use a ruler. Then we have to use protractor, pencil, and we have it right here to construct the triangle ABC with AB, which is equal to 66 centimeters, and the angle ABC, which is equal to 60 degrees, and BC, which is equal to 4 centimeters. Right, so right here, we have to know that we have to draw this line AB, which is okay. From here, have to draw angle AB, this one, from here 6 centimeters here. This is what we have right here. This is AB with 6 centimeters, and of course here we have BC, this one, which is 4 centimeters. From here, have to come up from here. Have from here BC, and we're going to continue right here by drawing this line BC from here. Let us count from here from 10 and then try to write 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is from here. Can draw it by saying it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means that this is BC, right? And then we can try to make an arc where it starts from here, from here, and then I'm moving from here up to here, as you're seeing. Then after we have to make this is intersection. Here in this intersection you have to draw another line that we don't know well from here. So we have to measure it if it is 6, but here first of all I have to measure, have to come up from here and try to measure if it is 60 degrees. From here you can see that our line, it is formed here from 60. It is equal to mean that this is angle 60 degrees. So we have to know to draw a line from here which is equals to 6 centimeters long. From here up to it will be here above, right? So that we shall make it like that. It is not from, it is from here. Yeah, and then try to join them very well. This is our triangle. Now, question 25. What do we have? We have Hirwa ate 5 to 12 of cake, and he gave 2 to 12 of it to Keza. Calculate the fraction of the cake they ate. So, we have to make addition of fraction, so that we have 5 over 12, then plus 2 over 12. This is 7 over 12, right? So this is the fraction they ate. So the correct answer is letter B. Now you can move on to the question 26. The following data was collected by a group of people. What type of data? And the thing that it is in the form of numbers. This is quantitative data. And then this question here we have what? A tank had 2.5 deciliter, and John added 90 deciliters into the tank, determined the liters of water are in the tank. So what do we have? We have 2.4 deciliters. This is 24 liters. And we have 90 deciliters, which is equal to 9 liters. So by making addition, we have 24 liters plus 9 liters. This is 33 liters. So the correct answer is letter D. Question 28. Now here, NESA bought goods means that this is art, means that this is buying price, which is equal to 2,500 francs, and so that selling price, which is equal to 3,000 francs. Calculate profit equal to selling price minus buying price. So profit, that is 3,000 francs, then minus 2,500 francs, and this is 500 francs. So the correct answer is letter B. 29. Study the currency exchange in the table below and answer the following question. 1 US dollar is equal to 1,459.58 francs. 1 euro means 1,720.80 francs. 1 Ugandan shilling is equal to 0.41 francs. So a man had 300 US dollars. How much is this in Ugandan francs? So here you have to say A, 1 US dollar is equals to 1,459.58 Ugandan francs. So if it has been increased to 100 US dollar, we'd have 300 times 1,459.58, and this could be equal to this one, and move this comma so that we shall have 437, then 1,874 Rwandan francs. Right, then B, a child had 20,000 Rwandan francs. How much is this in euro? So we have to start from here. 1,720.80 Rwandan francs is equals to 1 euro, and has been increased to 20,000 Rwandan francs that we are going to change them into euro. This will be 1 euro times 20,000 Rwandan francs divided by 1,720.80 Rwandan francs, and at this moment here we shall get what? Shall get 11.622 euro. Whereas C, what we have? A woman had 600 Ugandan shilling. How much is this in Rwandan francs? So we have to start from here. 1 Ugandan shilling is equals to 0.41 Rwandan francs. So has been increased to 600 Ugandan shilling, which is equals to 0.41 francs times 600, and then this 0 will remove this comma that we have, so that we shall get 246 Rwandan francs. Now, the question is this one. 75 trees were planted around the field. They were equally spaced at interval of 4 meters. Calculate the distance of field that was planted. Choose the correct answer from the front here. Now, given that here you have to know what we have here. 75 trees were planted. This is number of trees, and this is equals to 75. Now we're equally spaced at interval, and this is interval, length interval, which is equals to 4 meters, right? And here they were equally spaced at interval, which calculate means that here what do we have to know? Number of interval equal to number of trees. When we have they were equally spaced at interval. Now at this moment here we have to find the distance. Distance is equals to number of interval times length interval. Means that you know that this number of interval is equals to number of trees, so distance will be 75 times 4 meters. So distance here will be 0 to here 28, 30 meters. And then the answer will be letter A. 31. Compare the following numbers using less, greater, or equal to this one. We have from here, we have to say 0.128, 0.109. From here, we have 0, we have 0, we have 1, we have 1, we have 2, we have 0, meaning that this one is greater. NESA bought 1 biscuit on Tuesday, 2 on Wednesday, 3 on Thursday. If this sequence continues, how many biscuits will she buy on Saturday? 1 on Tuesday, 2 on Wednesday, 3 on Thursday, 4 on Friday, means that on Saturday will be 5. If she continue, it will be 5 on Saturday. So Saturday, 5 biscuit. It is 5 biscuit on Saturday. Now 33. Tom and James each had 5,001 francs from their parents, right? Tom bought a ruler worth at 801 francs. He also bought a biscuit worth at 2,001 francs for his friends. James bought a ruler worth at 801 francs and saved the rest. During the week, their teacher asked them to buy a geometrical set worth at 501 francs. So you're supposed to choose to find the answer from the following questions. How much did each people spend? How much did Tom save? And how much did James save? Here we made a table that is going to be explained that each has 5,000 francs. Now this is Tom's expense, whereas this is James's expense. So we know that here we have Tom has 5,000 at first. He bought a ruler which cost 800 francs, and the second one biscuit at 2,000 francs, and the third is geometrical set which is 500 francs. Then total will be here 2,800, 3,300 francs. Whereas James, he bought ruler at 800. Here I didn't buy this one and set at 500 francs. Then total will be 1,300 francs, right? So means that here A, Tom spent 3,300 francs, whereas James spent 1,300 francs. Whereas B, Tom, what did Tom save? Tom saved 5,000 minus this one shall get 1,700 francs. Whereas here James saved 3,700 francs, right? Then we can move on to this question, which is a cube has a side of 18 centimeters, determine its volume. Volume is equals to side times side times side, right? So then volume here will be equals to 18 centimeters times 18 centimeters times 18 centimeters. Then force volume here, this one we shall get 5,832 centimeters cube. Then the correct answer will be letter A. Last question. A rectangular box is 65 centimeters long, 40 centimeters wide, and 28 centimeters high. Calculate its volume. Volume here is equals to length times width times height, and this is equals to 65 centimeters times 40 centimeters times 28 centimeters, and this is equal to 72,800 centimeters cube. Right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye, see you the next time.